In month 7, then the price negotiation starts, which is a kind of new kind of stakeholder or player, right? The first one was the GBA. GBA part, let's say 50% of the members of GBA are members of the insurance system in Germany, and the insurance system is basically the head association of the public insurances in Germany, which are then driving and running the price negotiation. There are 4 rounds being set. I think what we have also seen in the past, that normally there are more than 4 rounds, 4 official rounds, where you have each time 4 hours where you discuss, right? You have obviously the kind of prices from the other European countries which are taken into account. You are as well discussing your current sales numbers, which are then also being compared against the numbers what the insurances basically see. So there's always a bit of a gap, but you can most of the time you see and can explain that. And then obviously there's always the kind of debate how now to come up with a price, right? And that's where the kind of arguments start. And ultimately, if there's no agreement between the 2 parties, normally after another 6 months, I think in the meantime it all takes a bit longer. One of the parties or both parties can basically call up the arbitration board, which have then another 3 months time to find a solution. And finally, then the company can decide to either withdraw the product or take the price as suggested by the arbitration board, or obviously earlier if there's an agreement. I think that's then quite clear that the new price is then being in effect afterwards. So that's a bit in a kind of nutshell.